Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today to be here to be cutting the Citrus Splash soap. So I took it out of the mold and here's what it looks like. Very pretty. I'm so excited to see how it turns out. It smells so good. I'll let you guys know as soon as this one gets posted on my website, which is going to be a while because it needs to cure first. I hope this one turned out and didn't get the soap alien brain like my lavender had. Yes. Ooh. Each piece is going to look very different. So when you order, you never know what you're going to get for coloring. Oh my gosh. That's perfect for in the morning. I like how it turned out. I like how it's kind of has this creamy look to it in the coloring. It's not like super white. And all my soap is made with pure silk. And it gives a really nice, rich, creamy lather. If you guys are interested in trying some, I do have quite a few scents on my Etsy website right now, and I'll post a link down below. I really appreciate all you guys helping support my small company. I've always loved making soap and always had a fascination with soap. I just feel like it's my calling. That one turned out really cute. If you guys have any other ideas for fragrances that you'd like to see in my soap, let me know. Some of my bars. Whoop. This soap was really thick when I was pouring it, so some have some holes in the side, which I hope is not going to be too big of a problem. But next time I'm going to make sure not to blend my soap so much, even though I feel like I didn't even blend it that much because it traced so fast. I just always feel like I want to ensure that everything is mixed completely, even though it was only for like 30 seconds of blending. You have to work really fast with this soap. If you guys have any other tips that you'd like to share, let me know. Ooh, that one has a lot of pink in it. Ooh, I'll probably kind of fix the edges up as best as I can before I wrap these for you guys. Oh, those turned out really cute. I wonder what fragrance I should make next. Ooh, the green kind of turned out a little bit different than what I thought, but that's okay. It's kind of a more natural leafy green. Ooh, pretty. I gotta order more of my mica powder. Ooh, that one's got a lot of orange in it. Nice. And last piece. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more soap videos, and I still think I have one more video that I'd like to post from my vacation to Mexico. Thank you guys for watching those and all the nice comments. Stay tuned for more of these fun soap videos. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever in the world, and please subscribe. Oh, And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. I do have a Silky Seductions Facebook account now, so I'll post that down below so you can follow me as I do updates every now and then for my soap. I do have a sale going on right now, 20% off, and these make wonderful gifts for Mother's Day or any occasion. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.